Dharavi, one of Asia's largest slum communities. At a public hospital nearby, a group of doctors battle daily in the intensive care unit to save the lives of newborns.
Two things that struck me at Sion Hospital. One was, why are these babies dying? Why are these babies coming to our hospital? We could prevent them. The second thing that really affected me a lot is that we had small babies that were raped. A 6-week-old baby, I remember, was raped. And I said to myself, what is it we are doing? Finally, we only saved this baby's life. We are sending the baby back to the environment. I remember when I was the dean, I was walking down the corridor at midnight, and there was this woman with 2 small children, and I said, and a broken hand. It was in plaster. So I said, what are you doing here? I said, why aren't you going home? And she said, my in-laws have broken my hand. If I go back, they'll burn me. So I thought, in the hospital, we only look at the medical aspects. What finally happens to these patients? This is what made me think that, yes, I need to start something that will look at this aspect of women and children.
Sneha believes in effecting change from within the system. This is done by establishing clinical protocols for standardization of quality maternal and newborn care and strengthening linkages between the various tiers of the public health system. Each intervention by Sneha is built upon an approach of appreciative inquiry.
Appreciative inquiry is a management change concept, and Sneha believes it in a lot, which talks about when you want to change an individual or a group, you can always build on their past history, which has some successes, and how to take it further and build your future based on that.
Promoting change through the individual is an important aspect of Sneha's approach. Regular trainings on behavior change, health and nutrition are conducted with diverse groups to change the health-seeking behaviors of the slum communities and to improve service delivery within the public health system. Research is central to the way Sneha functions, focusing on up-to-date data collection, evaluations of interventions leading to improved processes, and evidence for better health of women and children.
Future plan is really to integrate all the themes that we work with, which is maternal newborn health, the child health, family planning, sexual reproductive health of women and children, and prevention of violence against women and children, and offer it all together to the community and work on a community change model where the focus is really the family and not just the woman and the child.
Sneha believes in encouraging slum communities to play an active role in bringing change within the community. Community resource centers will be established to offer all its services under one roof. Since its inception, Sneha has touched the lives of thousands each year. Its people share its vision and are enthusiastic about the way forward towards improved urban health, looking to realize the dream.